A tent is in the shape of triangular prism. This is tent is in the shape of triangular prism resting on a rectangular base. This is rectangular base. If AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC means this AB and AC both are congruent. AD, this perpendicular height, is equal to 0.8 meter. BC, this base of this triangle, this is an isosceles triangle. This BC is the base of this an isosceles triangle, 3 meter, and a length of the tent. This is length of the tent, or BF, CG. These are length of the tent is equal to 6 meter. Angle ABC. This angle ABC 42 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 42 degree. Okay, this is given. Then find angle ACB, measure of angle this. Then find AB, length of AB, and then volume of the tent. Volume of the tent. Now first we will find this. We want no. First what is angle ACB? Angle ACB. So first one, first answer. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. This is given. Now by isosceles triangles theorem, isosceles triangles theorem, if two sides of any given triangle are congruent, then opposite angles are congruent. Therefore, angle opposite to AB, side AB, opposite angle C. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to opposite angle of side AC, that is B, means angle ABC. Therefore, angle ACB, measure of this angle ACB is equal to measure of angle ABC is 42 degree. This is our first answer. Then second, what is second? Find AB. Find AB. Okay. Then we find AB. Number 2. In right angle triangle series, right angle triangle ABD, because AD is perpendicular. So triangle ABD is a right angled triangle. In right angled triangle ABD, right angle triangle ABD, we want to find AB, no? AB, and we know AD. So we apply trigonometric ratio sin 42 degree. Sin 42 degree is equal to opposite side. Opposite side. What is opposite side? AD. Opposite side of angle series 42 degree AD, and hypotenuse upon hypotenuse AB. Now we have given value of sin 42, that is 0.6691 is equal to AD 0.8 meter upon AB. Therefore, we take AB here. AB is equal to 0.8. Now we put here 3 zeros. These zeros has no any value upon 0.6691. Okay, these 3 zeros has no any value, but when we put 0 here, 0 point here, 000, then those zeros has value. After this digit, when we put zeros, then those zeros has no any value. Therefore AB, see here, we write here 4 decimal places, here 4 decimal places, so we cancel them like this, 6691. Therefore when we divide to this 8000 by 6691, then 6691 ones are same, 6691. Okay, then again when subtraction here, see this subtraction here, 9, then 0, then carry 1 means 3. Okay, carry 1 means 1. Then we put 0 because that number is smaller than 6691. So we give decimal point and 0 on that number. Therefore again 1. Okay, then remaining, that is smaller than 6691. So we give another 0 on that number, and then 9 are. Okay, and then after subtraction the number is smaller than 6691, so we put another 0. So this is our answer, means AB is equal to, we write approximately. Now you can keep this answer, or see this is 9, so we add 1 in previous number, means 1 plus 1 2. Therefore this is our AB. AB is equal to 1.2 meter. Okay, now third one, what is volume of tent, volume of this tent, prism shape, triangular prism shaped tent, we will find volume. Volume of a tent is equal to area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC, area of this triangle ABC into length of the tent, length L. Okay, therefore area of triangle ABC 1/2 base into, or here length. Okay, BC into AD, base into height into L, means length. 1/2 BC 3 meter into AD 0.8 meter into L 6. Okay, meter cube or cubic meter. Did you get it? Therefore 2 3s. Therefore volume of tent is equal to, see this, 3 into 3 9, 9 8s are 72, and single decimal place, so we put here decimal point 7.2. meter cube. This is the volume of tent, that is triangular prism shaped tent. This is volume, means first measure of angle ACB, then length of AB. You can keep this also, no problem at all. All right, AB is equal to 1.2. This is 5 or bigger than 5, then we add 1 here. 1 means 9 plus 1, what is? 9 plus 1, what is? 10. 10 means 0. And 1 here means 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore 1.2, or this is 9. 5 or bigger than 5, so we add 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. That way also. This is our final answer.